Well, good morning, YouTube. This is Nikki B and Sasha RB Adventures, and I'm going to give you a warning about something. I got this video that I'm about to post of Mother Nature. Ooh, that kind of went crazy. Mother Nature in her own atmosphere, in her own just spring love in the air with the animals. I had been not sitting outside, but I was sitting on my couch, and I looked up and I came across these two coons. One was a male, one was a female, and they were right in my backyard, just doing their thing, climbing the trees, doing what they needed to do, and wait for the video. So it's coming soon. Just wait for it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I thought it was actually kind of funny. But then I thought, this is Mother Nature at her best. Seriously. So catch it up. Bye. Okay, we finally got him. He's moving. I don't know if you guys can see him or not. I'm hoping you can, because he's right there. Now he is way, way, way up in this tree. And there's the other one following behind. There's two of them. So we're going to be on Coon Watch today, and hopefully I'll get a whole lot of awesome videos. There's a trailer next to us that has a dog, and they're supposed to be checking out today, and I think they heard them, and they scattered, because they were at the bottom, and then they went up again. And as you know, Sasha is having a fit. We'll get back to you about the coons.
Wow, see those cooners.
Yep, ladies and gentlemen, I've got cooners, two of them. You can see him climbing up the tree right now as we speak. He is really climbing. And there's one behind him, so there's two of them there. I don't know if you can
see. It's a couple. They're about to have pups, probably.